That's ID or not password. That's no fun.
What was that? Do you hear that music? Where'd that music come from? I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Ah! Get away from me. Why are you here? You were just over there. Okay, you know what? Take my soda. It's fine. It's fine. You can have it. We made it to another notebook. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. I'm fast. Can catch you. Oh, is he coming? Is he coming? I don't know. I don't even know where Baldi is right now. Wait, I can't get past you. I don't have anything to give you. Where am I? What is happening? I don't know where I am anymore. I don't know what's happening. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. No! Get away from me! Ah! What do I do? What do I do? Ah! Baldi's eyes are so red. I gotta get away from this guy. No! 100 and what? Oh my gosh. Please let me out. Please let me out. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Where's Baldi? No, playtime, go away. Go away. I'm dead. I died. I got 5 notebooks. I just need a second to just process everything that just happened. Just a lot. Whew. So I think our experiment has confirmed what we knew was the truth all along. Slow Baldi, easy. No problem. Fast Baldi. Not so easy, but not impossible. Super duper ultra fast Baldi? Impossible. How in the world are you supposed to escape this angry monster? But I do have to say this mod was super cool. Let me know if you guys want to see me actually just play this mod alone. Maybe I can try to beat it. I highly doubt it'll ever happen, but we'll see. I think Baldi needs help. To be honest with you, Baldi looks real mad. Maybe he drank too much coffee? I don't know. I guess if Baldi drank too much coffee, that means the exit sign also drank too much coffee. Because as you can see, it is freaking out as well. Oh gosh, the trees are freaking out. Oh, this is making my head hurt. I will say right off the bat, I move a lot faster, so this is going to be very disorienting. Let's go into the classroom. I totally forgot. The doors open and close so fast, you always have to be pushing forward to get through the door before it closes. First, let's take a look at this very important message here. You think? Viking equals 8454, question mark. Sherlock equals who knows, and Wizard also an enigma. Nobody knows. All right, let's answer the first notebook. He's talking so fast. Listen. Does anything change here? No. He's just talking really fast. Okay, slow down, dude, and cool it on the Starbucks. Holy moly. Goodness gracious. Okay, 7 minus 6. Let's try to keep it cool. Let's try to keep the heart rate down. I should put one of those heart rate monitors on my wrist so you guys can see my heart rate right now. It's probably way higher than it typically is when I'm recording a video. Just the fact that Baldi is speaking so fast is giving me anxiety. All right, 5 to 0. It's 5. We can do this. Wow, so good. Oh gosh. Let me through. That's how you use items, you know. Okay, this quarter looks really devious. It looks like a supervillain or something. Quarter, the supervillain. Batman's greatest foe. All right, let's go through the next door. That's probably the hardest part, is getting through doors, honestly. This notebook is making my brain hurt. Just click it. Okay, 1 minus 1. 0. Oh gosh, he's gonna do the whole but he's gonna do it like really fast. Okay, we're gonna experience this together. Prepare yourselves. And for those of you wearing headphones, maybe lower your volume a little bit. I don't know what to expect here. Let's just do it. 8 minus 1 is 7. Here we go. Yeah, okay, yeah, yep, that's... It almost sounds like a plane trying to take off. Like a propeller plane. Anyways. The answer is 12, obviously. I'm fast. Okay, yes, he is fast. He is very fast. Okay. All right. Sweeping time is just going everywhere. And wait, what was that? I heard something. Oh! What? What are you doing to me? What was it? Sweeping time is just going back and forth? What is he doing? Where am I? Who are you? Oh my gosh, you have an axe. Okay, I can't get past him. I can't get past Bully. And sweeping time is like blocking this area off. Oh, Baldy's over there. Okay. Let's talk about this sweeping time. Stop! Let me through. Let me through, please. Oh, what is happening? What is that? What? Why is there redness everywhere? Okay, you know what? Let's just try to keep it cool. Try to just play it cool. Look, even the scissors are mad. What is that music? Is that Playtime's music? It's kind of good. I like it. Percussion, I'm feeling it. Anyways, 9 minus 6 is 3. 4 minus 5 is -1. The answer continues to be 12. I got it. Fast. Okay, we're back into chaos. Get the scissors ready, the angry scissors, because we're going to have an angry playtime on our hands, I think. I don't actually know. Dude, Principal is just freaking out right now. He's just going back and forth. I don't understand it. Let's just grab this next notebook. The fast notebooks. They're so fast. Look how fast this notebook is. It's the same. All right, 9 minus 5 is 4. I'm going to have to take a nap after this. This is exhausting. All right, I'm fast. Can't catch you. Okay, thank you, Baldy. I think those are messages from Baldy. Goodness. Okay, you know what? Take it. Take the scissors. I don't need them anyways. Playtime doesn't scare me with her drums. Her dumb drums. You know, I'm going to grab a soda. An angry soda. It's not even an angry soda. It's just a normal soda. I'm going to grab another soda. Oh, here comes Playtime. Oh, gosh. Where is she? She's drumming. She is drumming away. What? Oh, gosh. Oh, every time I look down the hallway, that happens. Oh, that is scary. Is that Arts and Crafters? Arts and Crafters is doing that? I don't know why he's doing that. And I don't know what happens if I look him straight in the eyes. And I don't know if I want to test it. It's very scary. 6 minus 4 is 2. And then 12. Okay. Still continues to be wrong, but we have 5 of 7 notebooks. I'm actually impressed. Oh, gosh, I didn't go through. Oh! I'm not going to go that way. I'm going to go the other way. I definitely hear Baldy slapping. And he's getting closer. I don't know. Where is he? Is he... Oh, gosh, I don't know which direction he's going. I think he might be going that way. Oh, first prize. Oh, you're coming to the cafeteria? Look at how angry these lunches are. They're just mad lunches. Okay, what are you doing? What are you doing, first prize? You're just gonna make a trip through the cafeteria here? Okay, you know what? You do that. Oh, no. Okay. Don't look at Arts and Crafters. Just never look at Arts and Crafters. Problem solved. I'm pretty sure Baldy's very close right now, and I'm scared. 7 plus 5 is 12. 5 minus 2 is 3. 12. All right, gotta fast. Gotta sweep. Oh, he's getting so close. Is he close? I don't actually know where Baldy is right now. Did I just go through? Wait, no, he took my scissors. Oh my gosh, Bully just took my scissors. What a bully. I'm gonna grab more scissors. Okay, let's do this. I don't know how I'm still alive, but I'll take it. I will absolutely take it. 5 plus 6 is 11. And then we continue the journey. Oh. Look how mad this poster is. Oh! Infinite! What? No, let me go. Oh, she let me go. Oh, what a nice lady. Okay, I got the first exit, I think. Oh, gosh. You know what? Cut her. Cut the rope. I didn't cut the rope, but I got out for some reason. I don't know how I got out. Ah! What? Oh, no. Arts and Crafters, please, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Just don't look at it. Why are you here now? Oh, goodness. Oh, my gosh. Can we beat this? Do you think we can actually beat this? This is going to be insane. Oh, my gosh. Where is Baldy? I hear him. He's so close. Oh, he's right there. He was right there. Oh, gosh. He's right behind me. Oh, please don't hurt me. No. Let me go. Oh. With the last exit. Just go. Yes. Congratulations. We won. I was just gonna pass out for a second. Excuse me. How in the world did I survive that? I mean, I survived the game. Goodness gracious, I feel like I'm gonna pass out right now. That was so intense. Oh my goodness. That was absolutely insane.
Wait. Does he have a KO attack I don't know about? Definitely not that tanky, though. So we're going to complete the 6,000 points mission. I think. Oh, wow. Yeah, I did nothing. Yeah, this man definitely has a KO attack. I don't know where he's doing it, though. Don't know. Think I can dodge it. This is fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, this Goku's really not that tanky. Yeah, I think I can dodge it. Pretty sure. DKP has dodge, I'm pretty sure. Please dodge this. Oh. Well. Or just nothing, I guess. Well, then, I expected that to hit me for death. And now he's going to count down again. My man DKP is tank that like absolute champion. Yeah, I might actually beat this then. Going to be very, very close, I think, though. Cell will live this, no problem. I was gonna say 2 super attacks. The amount of them, I mean, that would do. Now my boosted Rosade is doing what he does. It's more or less this guy that I'm worried about. Oh. He lived amazingly. Should I go into Corrupted? I'll always say to go into Corrupted only if, like, Like, if it's like the final thing you can possibly do, like, only treat it as like if it's a finishing blow, which technically in this case it is. So that's what I'm going to. My man Rosé is tanking that like an absolute freaking champion. We're gonna make sure they don't go into Vegeta again. And of course, when my voice wasn't recording, is when I'm going to beat this. Because of course, that's the... Guess you get a non-voice recorded version. Oh, yeah. I guess while I'm scrolling through this, essentially, like, I can just show that there.